Yes, today is another day, and we are still working on our mechatronic systems. And today we are focusing on Dalfa. This is Dalfa what? Dalfa DCDO3, an assembled mechatronic training device. It's made from China. It is supplied by Avic International, and it's for vocational training. And today we want to assemble this system and ensure that it works accordingly to the manufacturer's description. Yes, still I have my technician. You can see the system is almost empty. There is another one there. These are the second workstation. And then we have our third workstation. And here we have Dan, who is working on it. So Dan, you can say something about this Dalfarm equipment.
Yes, hello, how are you? As you've been told, this equipment is a Dalfa DC D03. This is a sorting machine which we are working on today. We are installing all the components that are not here, and we are supposed to make sure that they are all functioning according to the manufacturer's specification. So yeah, that is all about it. We are doing electrical connection, mechanical part of it, the pneumatics. We are connecting all that you are supposed to do. We are connecting all our sensors that are supposed to be intact with our system so that the system runs as expected. Thank you.
Yes, that's done. And then we have Bob here. Again, he can say something. He's working on this station. He's almost done. So
Hello.
You can say something.
In this station, this is one of the simplest station, and as you can see, I'm almost done, and it's only been 30 minutes. So installation of mechatronic system is a walkover for us because it's something we've learned over the years we've been in this school. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Today I have two technicians working, so maybe others will join us at a later stage. Yes, thank you very much, and keep following us. This is Mumias West TVC Mechatronic Workshop. This is Workshop 2. Yes, thank you, and welcome to Mumias West. For those who want to pursue mechatronics, you can join us. We have courses in Mechatronic Level 6, which is equivalent to a diploma, and Mechatronic Level 5, which is equivalent to a craft or a certificate in other engineering courses. The system is the CBET system, the new educational system offered by the government of Kenya. Thank you once again.